In this video, I'm just going to go through how to interrogate data. So the first thing I'm going to do before I start the actual interrogation is I'm going to look at question 17 on this question paper, which is Summer '08 question paper 3, because I want to hide the rows 1 to 14 inclusive. That means that I'm not only hiding rows 1 and 14, I'm hiding rows 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all the way up to 14, and I need to hide column D. So I'll do that first. So I just select the rows that I need to hide here and just right click and hide. Yep, and then I need to hide column D as well. So it's exactly the same process. And hide. If I need to unhide the data, I just go back to the position and you'll see that I'll just magnify the screen actually so you can see this really clearly. Okay, so if I go up here, and you'll see that black cross, it becomes like a double-ended arrow with a white line in the middle. That's showing me if I double click, that will start to bring back all the hidden rows, and then I can do the same with my columns. Yeah, so that's how we would hide our hide and unhide rows and columns.